Hello, here on day 15, we are going to focus on organizing our bookmarks. I don't know about you, but I have had a bookmark hot mess on my hands. And recently I've gone out and cleared out all my bookmarks and kind of updated them. So I'm going to walk you through a little bit of the things that you can do to organize your bookmark bar and just to make all of that nice and organized. So first thing is here, I'm on the very best web page ever invented, ever made, and I'm going to bookmark it. So to bookmark it, I'm going to come up here to the star and just click that, and it's going to ask me where I want it to go. So I can have it go here in the bookmark bar, or I can put it in another folder. I'm going to go ahead and put it on the bookmark bar because I'm going to show you how to organize that. So I'm going to go ahead and click done, and it'll show up right there. So anytime I need to, I can go ahead and click on that. It's going to take me right to the best web page ever made ever. All right, so next thing, you can clear up a lot of space here on your bookmark bar for things that you know, the icons. Like I know that this is Gmail, so I don't have to have it tell me Gmail. I know that this is Zoom, so I don't need it to tell me Zoom. And I also know that this is the web page. So if I right click on this, I can click edit. And all I'm going to do is delete the title. And so when I do that, it's going to delete the title, and now I just have the icon. So it just saves up space. So if you have a lot of things that you know what they are, you can save space by doing that. All right, so next thing, maybe your bookmark bar is not even showing. Sometimes your bookmark bar won't show, and so you want to go up here to the bookmark, and then you can choose bookmark manager, and it's going to bring up this page here. And here's where I can manage all of my bookmarks. So if I want to delete bookmarks, I can click on the three dots and click delete. Ooh, nice. And then if I want to create folders, I can click on the three dots in the top right hand corner and click add new folder. So this folder I'm just going to title forms, and I'm going to move my forms by clicking and dragging them into here. And I know that they were forms because when I open them up, they have the blue, again, I don't know my colors, the purple folder link there. And this forms is underneath the bookmark bar. So here it's showing up on the bookmark bar. When I click it, I can see all of these. So I actually prefer to keep, I've discovered lately, I actually prefer to try to keep my bookmark bar pretty clean. So I've cleaned up my bookmark bars in all of my accounts where it's just the ones that I'm using all the time. So now I have this folder with my forms. I have my bookmark bar, have these other bookmarks. Oh, nothing in there. That's great. Okay, I'm gonna go back here. Any of these, if you want to delete them, like I have two of this one, who knows why, I'm gonna click here, and then I'm gonna do delete. And you can move these around if you want to have them in different orders. I'm not quite sure why I've turned it in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and delete that. Delete this. And now I have a brilliant, nice little bookmark bar. So here's my nice clean bookmark bar. Another thing that you can do that I do think is helpful a lot for things that you use all the time is you can pin your tabs. So I think I've talked about this before. Pinning tabs means that it throws your tab all the way to the left hand side, and it's if you'll notice when I hover over this tab that's pinned, I don't see the X, so I'm not going to X out of it. And I like to have my workstation, and by workstation I mean my Chrome browser, I like to have it say Google Drive, Mail, Calendar, and then Chat. And I don't start working until I have it in this order. And this way, these always come up. I mean, you're always going to need your email. You're always going to need your Drive. You might always need Calendar and Google Classroom. So if you pin those, you don't have to have them bookmarked here because they're always going to be in your browser right here. To pin the tab, you are going to choose the tab that you want, right click, and then choose pin. And it'll throw it all the way over to the left. To unpin the tab, you right click and you choose unpin. It just keeps it tiny over here so I know where they are. And now you'll have a clean bookmark bar.